Hello, good days. Okay, everyone. Okay, currently I know all is encounter one thing, the Hik-Connect is not able to download on the Play Store. So they have a link here. Later I will drop the link, the Hik-Connect Appstore there. Then we click it. Of course, you will receive this or the link about this. So you go to download. You just download the link. Okay. So you download the file again. No necessary because I already download. You just go to here, click the download. After that, you go to the files there. You will notice that they have a file called Hik-Connect Appstore. You click this Hik-Connect Appstore, of course, because from the beginning, from installation, the files you will be not able to install during the file. So you go to settings, allow the apps install. Okay, so after you allow this app ready, so this application able to install on the third-party resources from the file. You just click install, it will start installing the Hik-Connect apps. I think just take another few minutes or few seconds, it will be able to finish install. Then open it back. Then this new Hik-Connect apps. Then as usual, you can key in your everything, then key in your username, password. So that's why you're able to access the Hik-Connect there to take a look of your CCTV or the access control in the P2P cloud. Anyway, thank you for watching.